Filipino mom sayings. Bobo ka, meaning you're dumb. Tamad ka, meaning you're lazy. Layas ka, meaning get out. Putang ina, meaning son of a bitch.
Whoa, why are you getting personal?
You're my son, bitch. Lastly, idiot. In English, idiot. Let me demonstrate. Bobo ka, layas ka, idiot, tang ina ka. Huh? Filipino mom sayings. Part 2. Tanga ka, meaning you're stupid. Bastos ka, meaning rude. Punyeta, meaning you asshole.
Why are you looking at me?
Because I can. Hayop ka, meaning you animal. Ano? Meaning what? Buisit ka, meaning you're annoying. My son is annoying. Let me demonstrate. Punyeta, tanga, hayop, bastos, ano? Filipino mom sayings. No! The tissue, can you see the direction of my mouth? Eat. Oh, eat. Now you're eating. See the ano?
The what, ma?
The ano?
The what, ma?
The ano?
The what, ma?